Ever wondered how tornadoes form? Let's dive into these powerful forces of nature. Tornadoes start with severe thunderstorms, especially supercells. These storms have rotating updrafts called mesocyclones. Strong winds create horizontal spinning, which gets tilted upright by the storm's updraft, forming a tornado. There are various types. Supercell tornadoes are the most intense, while landspouts and waterspouts are usually weaker. Tornadoes can cause massive destruction, impacting homes and communities, especially in tornado-prone areas. Remember, preparedness and community support are key to weathering these storms. Stay safe.